Welcome to another Feature Friday. I'm Tate Saunier with Primeaux RV. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new floor plan by Cougar. It's their new 29-foot front kitchen. One of the cool new features that Keystone included on the new Cougars is an outside awning that actually has controls built into the awning itself. We can move it in and out. It does have a wind sensor, and you can control the light from here and in the control panel inside. And of course, standard features on the outside. We still have our outside speakers. With Keystone's new Key TV, we have access to cable and satellite on the outside for our outside TV. Brand new steps. They're more stable. They fold up inside the camper to keep them out of the weather. Walking in, one of the first things we're going to see is the new in-command control panel. This gives us access from both the control panel and our phones to control the air conditioner, the lights, all of our slides and our awning, as well as our water pump, water heater, and it gives us an indication of our battery connection. And of course, in this front kitchen floor plan, we have the big bay window on the front, lots of counter space, upgraded appliances, and of course, being a front kitchen, we've got a huge amount of cabinet space. We've got two big cabinets here into the sink, 4 big drawers. We've got USB connections and power on either side of our cabinets for coffee pot, rice pot, anything else we want to hook up. We've got the dinette, which folds down and makes another sleeper. Theater seating, and of course the Thomas Paine across from the TV. CD, DVD, Bluetooth, you can control your music from your phone. And we've got a fireplace. It is an electric heater as well. Moving into the bathroom, we've got a huge bathroom here, lots of countertop space, full shower surround. Moving into the bedroom, we've got a second slide here with a king bed in it. Big rear closet. And a second access door here so you can get in and out to the bathroom quickly and easily from outside. Walking in here in the entryway, we've got lots of extra storage here up top and a huge pantry sitting at the bottom. Alright folks, this was another Feature Friday here at Primeaux RV in Carencro. This was the Cougar front kitchen, one of their brand new floor plans. We're excited to have it here. Guys, give us a call, come out and take a look at this Cougar and the many more we have on the lot.